Hello guys, my name is Mohit and welcome back to another video of GDG NBNSCOE, and today we are going to complete this lab named as Arcade Adventure Kubernetes Engine, and this is a part of level 3 Gen AI Arcade game. So we are going to complete this lab in this video. I'll walk through it. So let us wait for this provisioning lab resources. This happens when multiple users or so many users try to access this lab at once, which leads to an waiting time for us. So once this is less than 1 minute, you can start this lab, or it will start the Google Cloud once the lab resources has been created. So let us wait for it first. As you can see, this lab has only one task which we have to complete. So, and the progress of our completion will be tracked by this lab. So once this lab is created, we'll be continuing with our today's video. So as you can see, this has been started the lab, and once you start the lab, it creates a website URL here. So you can copy this and paste it in the new tab, and now you are good to go. Let us follow up with the first task, which is we have to copy this code and paste it here where enter code is given, and submit this. Hence we are which will be click on the pods, focus on pods. You will define the containers within your pods. Do you choose Docker files or Kubernetes manifests? I'll choose Docker files, Docker containers. That is simple to write, but how do you manage complex applications? Do you use multi-stage builds? Yes, I'll use multi-stage builds. Successfully define your pods. Your application containers are ready to be deployed. So in this way we have created this one. We have followed all the instructions and enter the values accordingly. So as you can see, we have completed this lab. Assessment validation can take up to 60 seconds, so you can wait up till this validates your completion. So let us wait for 1 minute. So this is just a story kind of lab where you decide, every decision makes two different paths. So as you can see, we have created pods, and then created it into a Docker file, and then we have deployed the same. So in this way we learnt about Google Kubernetes Engine. So we can close this lab actually, and the completion of this lab will be marked up. So